Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley, and today I'm going to show you how to make some stuffed mushrooms. They don't require crab meat, but are super delicious and very easy to make. Let's get started.
If you're in the mood for delicious food, come cook with Rose Oatley.
First, you want to grab yourself a bowl. Next, you're going to need Panko crumbs, or you can use the regular ones. Add 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of mozzarella. If you have grated, even better. Grated Parmesan cheese, 3 tablespoons. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Like my spoons, they're magnetic. Grab yourself a set from my Amazon store, found in the description section of this video. Again, this is 1/4 teaspoon. You're also going to need 1/3 cup of melted butter, equivalent to 5 tablespoons. Grab yourself a small bowl. Put it in the microwave for 45 seconds to melt. Ta-da! Put it in your bowl. In the meantime, take 1 garlic clove. Cut the ends off and dice. Then add it to your bowl. If you don't have fresh garlic, just add 1 teaspoon of the one in the jar. Grab yourself a little bit of fresh parsley. Let's chop it up. Add 2 teaspoons to your bowl. Give it all a good mix, but before we do, let's add a little bit of pepper. To your taste, you don't need much. Before continuing, preheat your oven to 400 degrees.
In the meantime, grab yourself some mushrooms and a wet paper towel.
You can use white mushrooms or portobello mushrooms for this. I usually tend to go for the smaller ones, but today I've got some larger ones here. I'm going to be using this package. It's a 16-ounce package. All you want to do is move your stem back and forth, and it'll pop right out. With a wet paper towel, you want to go ahead and clean them. You don't want to run them through the water because they do absorb a lot of fluid. So it's always best to just clean them with a paper towel. Just make sure whatever you do, wipe them. Look how dirty the paper towel gets. Grab yourself a sheet pan and we're ready to stuff them. If you're making more mushrooms than this, then double your ingredients. I usually have more mushrooms and double mine up. Today, again, a 16-ounce pack of mushrooms. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Once you hit the last 3 minutes, you want to switch from bake to broil. Broil for the last 3 minutes. This will make the tops nice and toasty. Use the low setting on broil if you have it. In the meantime, I take a little bit of parsley, add it to a dish for a little added decor. Tick-tock, mushrooms are ready. Let's add them to our plate.
You're watching Rose Oatley. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified of any new videos.
And here you have it. Delicious, simple, stuffed mushrooms for your next party or just to snack on like I'm doing today. Let's do this.
Sorry guys, I couldn't help myself. I bit right into one. Look how yummy that looks. So good. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. And please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.